Bing! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to a new video. Right now we're doing VeChain, minus 0.33% down in red, but it's looking good, and I'm gonna tell you why it's looking good and what's so good about it, because it's getting ready to pump real hard, and I'm gonna tell you when that's gonna be like. Now we got this daily altcoins video going on every single day, looking what's pumping, what's not pumping, what coins are good, what coins are not good. What are done pumping, going through consolidation, you know, and stuff like that. So if that's something for you, if you got trouble picking coins, check out the Patreon link down below. Also join the Telegram channel. We're right now 3,098 members. We hit 3,000 yesterday, so the group is going. It's a very nice community. Some bad apples from here to there, but we remove those from time to time. That's a very nice group indeed. That said, again, let's get into the charts and talk about it. Talk about the stuffs, the VeChain. So what's so good about it? First of all, I'm going to explain to you what we are seeing on the chart for people that have not been here before. Let me see just this on the 4-hourly chart. Time from I don't think that's that important line, so we're going to remove this line over here. It's a nice line. It is a resistance line, and we want to break that as well. So the first thing first, we got this line over here. That's a very important line. Very important. This is like the VIP line of the VIP lines in VeChain. So the thing with this line is it's getting hit quite substantially on the as a support, and as a resistance is acting really tough. So we got both the support and the resistance hit on this line, and this line is very important. And once we break this line, it's gonna be mayhem. I mean, it's gonna be nice. There are other lines I'm gonna draw on this chart, but this one is very important. Now this other line was also the support line. We were going up. Unfortunately, we broke that, and now we are below it. But once we break both of these lines, it's going to go higher. So this line that's right now acting as a support, and right now acting as well, it was acting as a support, and right now this part over here is a resistance. Later when we break above, it's going to be a climbing line for us in the start. That's what I'm thinking, at least. Once we break the line up here, we're gonna use to climb on the line. That's what I'm thinking. It doesn't have to be that, but it can be acting as a good support. So we're gonna keep the line so we have it for the future reference. Then there are these moving averages. These two down here is 10 and 20 moving average, and this is the 50 and 100 moving average, and down there you have somewhere 200 moving average. So there are these moving averages are important, and we want to climb them. So why am I saying that this is actually quite good? That's what's happening right now, that we are in red and stuff like that. Well, yesterday we pumped real hard. I mean, these are the last 3 days, right? We had 3 green candles in a row, and we pumped something like, I don't know, like 23% in 3 days. It's not that much. I mean, some coins do like 30-40%. Now you saw what Bitcoin Cash did, 50% in 1 day. It's crazy. But today, yesterday we did actually pump like 20%, but we got back below the line, and that's why I'm saying, like, you always have to look for the closes. The closes are the big candles. This is called something called the wick. Wicks doesn't matter. Wicks can go like, you know, to 50,000 if they want, but it's only if they go back and close. It's where they close that we actually look for confirmation. This closed below the line, so we don't have any confirmation that it's broken. It's only when this price goes up here and closes above it, then we have confirmation that this resistance is broken. And right now the resistance is not broken, so we cannot move higher technically. That said, the reason we are also stopping is because we did pump hard and we got away from the moving averages. These two moving averages, that's the white one is 10 and the red one is 20 moving average. We got away from the moving averages. So what happens now, it's we going sideways below the resistance line or a little bit down to hit these moving averages, especially the 10 moving average is very important right now because we are in uptrend. So you want to go sideways or down and hit this 10 moving average and let 10 moving average pushes up above the resistance line. When that's gonna happen, that's hard to tell, but right now it looks like we are gonna have at least a couple of days of sideways movement. I also just did a video on Cardano, and it's about the same thing. I think we are waiting because today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, so maybe today, tomorrow it's gonna have some kind of correction, and the next week, maybe early next week, maybe late next week, this will again continue going up. But it's only after we break this line over here that all kind of mayhem is gonna happen. I'm gonna pop down one more support line, and that's this one over here, and that's broken already. And that's very important. That's very important line, because this line over here was keeping us support down here. So every time up here it was keeping support until it got broken. Once it got broken, we fell through that. But right now that support line was acting as a resistance. It was also one of the lines that we are talking about that we have to break. One was at 0.2, 0.22, but the first line is actually broken. This is actually an uptrend. We did what we had to do to be bullish again, and that's why we are continuing going up, but we are extended from the moving averages, so we have to wait for the moving averages to come. There is more bullishness on this. There is more bullish. I'm not done, guys. I'm not done. Look at here. This is the MACD. What we are looking for right now on the MACD is this something called MACD bullish cross. This is a bearish cross. That's when the blue line crosses this orange line. That's the bearish cross. It only confirms this top over here. So we want to confirm the bottom down here with the bullish cross. So once this blue line crosses the signal line, we are confirming that this was the bottom, and the confirmation will give more traders, pull more traders into the game, into the trading, because a lot of traders are looking for these bullish and bearish crosses to enter the trades, because they know without them, like it's just one more piece of bullishness that coin or asset needs to be able to actually break resistances. Now you cannot break resistance when you are way ahead of the moving averages. That's also another reason why we are not breaking the resistance right now. We are just way ahead of the moving averages, so we need some kind of sideways movement. We need to wait for moving average, and once moving average comes up to the resistance, something has to break. Either it's gonna be the resistance or it's gonna be the support on the moving average, and I'm betting on the resistance, because this is so bullish. We are also doing Bitcoin video every single day, and even the Bitcoin video today is very bullish. And not only just today, Bitcoin is super bullish for the nearest future, because there is so much bullishness in Bitcoin. I don't know how people can still say that Bitcoin is gonna go down to 43. I don't get it. I just don't get it. I'm telling you, couple of more days, next week this is gonna be super nice. The good thing that yesterday we actually broke a very important resistance, the support that's been creating here. So right now it has been acting as a resistance. We broke that, we are above that, all good and dandy, no problems in paradise. We are just waiting for that moving average. It will come, and after that, after these moving averages are broken, we are actually looking to get all the way up there. There are a few other resistances. They are pretty close at 25 and 25.4. And there is also this one over here, the closest one that we also can break. But I'm thinking as soon as we break this diagonal line and this trending line is for resistance, right now this one is also will break it. So I think a lot of stuff will be broken as soon as we start going up here, and then these resistances up here will play the role, and once those are broken, like the moon. Guys, come back tomorrow. Tomorrow will be new video on VeChain. I'm doing VeChain every single day. I mean, I missed sometimes I miss a couple of videos because, you know, I get tired and I cannot produce that many videos, or some other things coming away, you know, real life. But usually we do like XRP, Cardano, VeChain, BTT. Right now, Ethereum classes, those are the big five, and Bitcoin video every single day. So those are 5-6 coins we do every single day, and then we try to do maybe a couple of more beside it. Right today we did Harmony 1, maybe we might do 1 or 2 more today as well beside that. And if you want to see even more coins, even more tech analysis, check the Patreon and join the Telegram. Very important, very nice community, you know, nice people and all that shebang. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.